Namaste to everyone. Welcome to Peace Vibes YouTube channel. So in this video we have met a sadhu in Varanasi and he taught the complete divine knowledge and shared his spiritual experiences with Peace Vibes channel. So Varanasi would be a perfect place to meet sadhus. So how could one meet sadhu in Varanasi and share their spiritual experiences? So this idea was made true by Sri Guru Yoga Trust. So because finding the right sadhu is also a very important task in Varanasi. Sadhus or sannyasis have been part of the Indian subcontinent for about as long as Hinduism has. Considered the holiest beings in the faith, sadhus are spiritual enlightened persons who successfully let go all the attachments in their life to society, material needs, family, and whatnot, in purest of moksha or total liberation for ignorance and desires. So here we were very eagerly waiting for his teachings and his life experiences. Swami Din Dayal is a Shaiva sadhu who left his house 11 years back. Swami visited many places in India for his spiritual practices, and 1 year back he came back to Varanasi. So as we started speaking with him, it was very great experience and overwhelming presence. In this conversation, we asked him very important questions which will help Peace Vibes channel viewers and enlighten themselves. So meeting Guru is very difficult task for us. So we were waiting for 1 month to get his invitation, and as Guru not allowed us to record video, but we had told by him to share his conversation to the seekers and to everyone. So we asked the first question about practicing yoga. So Guru says that each and everyone can practice this. But you have to understand yourself, what is your life and how serious are you into this spiritual path and what exactly you need to attain in the spiritual journey. Yoga is interconnected within. It is a conscious process, and what asana is needed is only to be done because practicing all may not give you best results. For each asana, there is a different impact and positive results. So once you know the benefit of doing this, and after practicing for many days, the asana siddhi will work for you. Henceforth, you attained complete siddhi in it, you will be the master for that asana. And next we asked about meditation and its process and what is the importance. And Guru says that one has to think before doing what impact is creating after doing meditation. Simply sitting and closing eyes and imagination may not give effective results in a long run. So one has to think internal meditation is not physical. It is a flow of energy. You have to realize that dhyana is a complete surrender to the divine. Realizing concentration and your strong willpower makes you a tremendous battery of energy within. It is analogous to electricity. When all the electrons in a body flow in the same direction, so electric power is generated. So also the control and direction of all energies of the body and mind, the yogi becomes a great center of willpower. And next we asked about can you tell us what all the struggles you have faced before starting. And Guru says that I don't remember my struggles, I only remember the lessons taught by the self. This is not useful for you. Let me tell you about the reality. So Guru says unity in diversity. The finite cannot express the infinite. This is one of my own experience. The secret of reality is not to be found in the external world, but only by looking inwards. Divinity within to see the divinity in all. One has to believe in existence and realize the self. Bhakti is the complete surrender to the God, and doing practice constantly with a lot of surrender and knowledge, you get the Sakti. And complete transformation and complete surrender towards the God gives you the Mukti. So all these three are important. This is the complete devotional and transforming yourself towards the God from within and towards the oneness. In this process of spiritual journey, there are many sacrifices and learning. So moreover, do good and service to the society and help each other and service to the nature to transform oneself to the beyond. So hope you have understood the teachings of the Guru, and thank you for watching this video. Hope you got valuable teachings on spirituality, and for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and stay safe.